Hey guys, it's Josh here from Remax. Thanks for tuning in. We're on the Central Hamilton Mountain today. I'm at 65 East 14th Street. It's an awesome story-and-a-half house, fully detached with an extension on the back, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with a main floor master bedroom, completely renovated top to bottom. I'm talking gutted with complete new electrical and plumbing, all brand new appliances, over 250 grand spent in renos on this house. You're not gonna believe how it shows inside. Come on, have a look.